Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Using a thermostat efficiently starts with setting your device to the ideal temperature for comfort and energy savings. For winter, aim for around 68 degrees Fahrenheit when you're at home and awake, lowering it while you're asleep or away. In summer, 78 degrees Fahrenheit is optimal when you're home, increasing it for periods of absence. Programming your thermostat for these adjustments or opting for a smart thermostat can help maintain these temperatures automatically. Regularly checking and replacing batteries if needed will ensure your thermostat functions correctly. Keep it simple, and let technology work for you.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.